Group 3 presents Pangangalaga sa Kalikasan Diorama. Materials needed.
First, band together the styrofoam and the plywood as the base of the diorama. On top of the styrofoam, evenly spread the liquid glue on it. Slowly scatter the soil that will serve as your ground. Make sure that the styrofoam is covered by soil. Now, create your desired shapes of roads in your diorama's ground. Using cardboards, cut the desired shapes of roads you are going to use in your diorama. At this point, ready your popsicle sticks and cut the edges of it. Using the glue gun and stick glue, stick together the popsicle sticks into the cardboard. Make sure to glue it by its different sizes so that it will be pleasing to look at. Create roads as many as you want. This time, using the glue gun, band your roads into its place. Continue the process until the roads are all covered. For the miniature trees, prepare the yarn as well as your branches. Cut the yarn for at least 2 inches long and tie the yarn in the middle. Once you're done, scatter and split the yarn into a thread-like until it becomes messy. Continue the process until you reach your desired thickness of trees. Once you are done splitting the yarn, glue it together with your branches so it will finally look like a tree. You can also make a miniature tree using the crepe paper. Cut the crepe paper into a leaf-like and paste it into your tree branches. At this point, place your trees into your base and glue it using the glue gun. Continue the process until your trees are all in place. Now, create a miniature house using your popsicle sticks and glue gun. clean the sides of your road and put the grasses on the sides. Next, place the houses into its place and secure it using the glue gun. Add the miniature table and chairs as well. Place rocks alternately until it is 1 inch tall, making it as a miniature well. This time, cut the printed characters and paste it together with the barbecue stick that will serve as its stand. Now, place the printed characters into the different parts of the base. The process same goes with the miniature animals. Paint the houses with color brown to make it more radiating. Now, glue the printed backdrop into the styrofoam. Continue the process until the 3 backdrops are completed. And then paste the backdrop to each side of the base. Here is the final result.